All right, people, I got a new update for AMD. I got to tell you the facts. I got to tell you there's no, playing around here, people. It's about making money. I've talked about AMD, and in my last update, I talked about AMD needing to break 1520. We have not been able to do that. We did not do that on this day, and of course, we did not follow through. I also talked about 1430, and that if everything would be okay as long as we held 1430. Well, what happened? We broke through 1430. I took a small loss. Let me show you people on my stream something. All right, people. So here I am on Power Trigger Trade. You see right here, we have March the 2nd, 10:44 p.m. I said AMD taking a small loss. Looks like they need to base AMD. This will need a new plan to confirm. Now, I'm a man of my words, people. We did not hold the 1030 area. Let me show you what I said. Here it is, at 10:05 AMD. As long as this remains above 1430 today, all is well. Setting up to punch higher, but needs to confirm my last plan to get moving. Exactly what I said. Listen, people. I know what I leave everything to benefit of the doubt. We could not hold 1430, and I was forced out of the stock, forced out of the plan, forced out of the trade. And the reason why you want to understand this is that I have strict rules. I know how stocks have to break out. And if you want to understand something, I advise you to take a look at this BA plan. Okay, I want to educate you. I want you to read. I want you to go into this video, and there's the second half of the video talks about BA. This confirmed. I did. And I'm going to show you the confirmation of this. And the reason why I'm telling you this is when stocks break out the right way. Okay. AMD was not doing this, okay? But benefit of a doubt, it had to play itself out, okay? But BA, the key is BA did the right things. It made a lot of money. I mean, the money you could have made in BA, was not possible with AMD. But AMD was still a trade, right? And these inside the video, you'll see if you go to the, and actually I'm going to show you exactly, but see these March 17 175 calls, they were 90 cents in the plan. Let's go to Yahoo. I want to show you that. We're going to get back to AMD, but this is important, people. All right, I'm at the Yahoo Finance board for BA. Just want to show you this now. Today actually BA hit a high of 186, but I wanted to show you something. These 175 calls, I kid you not, I don't have time to put up the video, but these hit a high of 10. And again, if you go look in that video, you're going to see the 170s were at about $2, around 230, and you see where they closed today, right? So you can see how much percentage gains these went up, and this went up. So let me get back to the stream. Right, people, so again, I recommend you go see this. This is a repost, okay? This video was posted February the 13th. This confirmed about 4 or 5 days later. I'm not getting into specifics in this video, but you'll see for yourself. You'll see the time and before. And if you go if you look on the charts, actually, you know what? Let's go look on the charts. Alright, people, so I'm going to explain that BA trade for you. I posted it based on the 13th, and we confirmed, theoretically, we confirmed on the 16th, okay? However, I posted on the 17th. If we go down my stream, you'll see I said if this breaks above 171, then this is before the market opened. So you can see the market, you see that this opened at 170.40, and it confirmed going through 171, and I mean, this was the move it made, okay? And again, this is all documented, and this is important. Why am I talking about this BA trade? Well, there's a point that I'm going to have to make. This is about AMD as well. There's an education part of it. So we're going to get back to the AMD, but I just wanted to explain this to you. So you'll see when you go, if you do the investigation, I'm doing an education because I want to help my followers make money. I'm posting premium plans, and we'll catch many BA plans, but if you're not following what I'm telling you guys, you're not going to make the big money. Let's get back to the AMD now. All right, so we're back at AMD now. So here's the thing, people. What has to happen now? Well, most likely this isn't going to confirm, and I'm going to have to make another plan. But in case it does, we're going to talk about a plan, and I'll probably make another plan for AMD people. But this is more of an education. AMD now, because we failed, is in a chop zone. I exited it, and this chopped around. It looked like it was going higher, but you let the day move. They play their games. this is more like a chop zone right now. Now, in order for AMD to make those moves to the targets I talked about, which was 16 on the low end, 17, 17 to even 18, we're going to need to really break out now, because you see this volume day here, there was this area here is a massive resistance now. Okay, so at this point in time, AMD needs to break above 15 on some strong action volume. Okay, now the action volume I'm talking about as we're breaking 15, and this again, that's a big move for it to make, so this is very unlikely. Okay, but this at the moment needs to break above 15 on some strong action volume. I'll probably have to make another update. We're going to go look at the options, people. And before I go to the option, a strong action volume for AMD would be about 8 million, okay, on a 10-minute chart. Okay, so right now as it stands, we need to break above $15 on 8 million shares, and if the volume isn't there, this needs to base above 15 and look for power towards 15.10 to 15.20. Nothing has changed. We are lacking power. This is a stock that had to show momentum. It failed to show the momentum, unlike BA. It's failed to show momentum, and this is what was this. I expect this could happen. You know, I've been in my videos, I've been warning about this needs to show the power soon, and the benefit of the doubt, it couldn't do it. Anyways, people, this is part of trading. So let's get to the options. All right, people, I'm at the Yahoo board here. Here's AMD. Today we went down $1.06, 7%, not good. Showing more weakness still. This is why you want to wait for confirmation. This is in a chop zone. But anyways, let me talk about the options here, what I would look to get into. I've changed the idea now for the next time this does confirm. We're going to be looking at the April 21st calls. Now, you can see that there's a lot of trading happening in the 15 calls and the 16 calls. But I would be looking to use neither the 15 or the 16 calls. Right? More for me, the 15s I would use. Okay, on confirmation. Okay, people. So let's get back. So that's the options to show you what they cost right now. I doubt it. We're going to confirm. And trust me when I tell you we are in the chop zone. This is I tell it straight how it is, people. I'm here to help. It's better to get into stocks that are in your favor. One of the secrets to making money in breakout stocks with options, these great gains that I do make, is we wait for the right setups. You know, I want to show you something, people. I'm here to educate. I'm here to help. I was long this, you know, I'm still bullish AMD, but AMD, telling you now, is in a chop zone. And unless it confirms my next plan, we're not going to see the higher numbers. It's going to need time. They're going to consolidate. They're going to chop. This stock needs time. Okay, this is what I'm trying to get at. So understand this now. I'm trying to make you understand that this has to confirm for us to make the big money. For us to make 100, 200% gains on the next move, we're going to have to wait for confirmation. They're going to chop this around. Okay, so as it stands, we need 8 million, a break of 15 on 8 million on a 10-minute chart. And if the volume isn't there as we try to break 15, we need to base above 15 and look for power towards 15.10 to 15.20. I will make updates. Make sure you subscribe, people. Let's go to my website quickly, YouTube channel. All right, people, we're here at Power Target Trades, my YouTube channel. I got a lot of great videos here. You know, I talk about a lot of stocks. MCD, of course, look for confirmation. The BA, I have the video reviews, but I showed you what to look for. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. All my videos go in here about a lot of other stocks. Okay, it's not just AMD that I look at. I look at anything that can make us the money, people. Okay, I think AMD is good. Big picture, I think AMDs go higher, but right now, you have to understand that it's just controlled by the market. They have high expectations for AMD, and they can control and do what they want with it because it's an overvalued stock. But it doesn't matter that it's overvalued. It deserves to go higher. But the big picture is, you shouldn't. It's all about you making money. Okay, all right. So if what I'm talking about here are option trades, right? So we can make great gains. These things that I've talked about are no joke. So if you go to my website, I'm going to show you a link here. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to subscribe easily. But let's go to my website, people. This is a special update. It's the facts and the truth. Let's go to my website here. You click on this link. All right, so here's my website loading up here. Nice background over here. See this video here? Again, when you have the time, come over here and listen to see this video. This is what these are plans that I've made that worked, confirmed, and made these gains. It's all documented here. Okay, people. Cenex. Again, this 300 super trade. You've got to see this video. It's documented very well. See it. Options and everything, okay, before and after and everything. You can look at the charts and the SPY. A lot of great videos for you to see here. on my website. Okay, let's get back to power target trades. Okay, so at the end of this video, see this Sandro power trigger trade. It's going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it'll be very easy to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you're a follower of Power Trigger Trade on Twitter and on StockTwits, either or. Okay, and this is a link to my Twitter, and here's the Power Target. So it's good to subscribe to get all the links, people. This is a great place for the videos. Trust me when I tell you, if you follow my instructions and my plans, and you study, you will make money. I'm here to make. I want my followers to make money. Okay, I got a lot of great videos. There's a lot of things for you to study. Be patient. I help people small accounts. You know, BA. I'll tell you something right now. I'll just give you an example. Even if you had invested simply $400 in BA, okay, you would have made a couple $1,000 easy. Okay. Or if you had invested a little bit more than that, so you had, let's say, you had 4 options, and you invested about $800, and then you took half off on 100% and rolled the other, you would have made easily $2,000 that way. That's a safe way. What I always tell people is you want to get in, and if things don't work out, you got to take. Listen, you got to take. Listen, I took some losses. I made gains. I took some losses. I didn't make them. I only made about 60% gains in my last AMD trade. But you know what? If it confirms the next time, I'll make my 200% gain. But we got to wait for confirmation, people. I'll be making updates on AMD. Just wanted to give you this update, people. Thanks for listening. Like the video.